Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles. So today I'm going to show you folks how to draw the character Luisa from the movie Encanto. I recently watched the movie, finally, and Luisa is probably one of my favorite characters, so I'm deciding to draw her now today. Before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. All of that really helps out the channel a lot and it's really appreciated. Okay, so I'm going to start drawing Luisa with her eyes. Alright, so I'm going to do a shape like this, a little line like that, and then we're going to come on up and down. Okay, now we're going to do a little curved line inside that shape. And same thing, that shape again, only a little smaller. And I'm going to do a little circle right here. And then I'm going to color this part in all dark. So it doesn't really look like much right now, but it will. Okay, so I'm going to thicken up this part right here, just this corner here. I'm going to thicken up that corner and just a little teeny bit up top and a little teeny bit on the bottom. And just give a few little tiny strokes for little eyelashes, but nothing too wild. And now we're going to do her eyebrow on top. Okay, so we're slowly coming on up and over. And we came up a little bit. Okay, and now we're going to come on down. Like that. So, oh, my throat's going. Sorry. So just try your best to follow along with what I'm doing. It might not look exactly like what I'm doing, but that's okay. All right, so now we're going to do the other eye. So give it a little bit of space. Kind of pretend that there is like another eyeball's worth of space right here. So just pretend there's an imaginary eyeball right there, and that's like how much space we want to jump between eyeballs. I hope that made sense. So I'm going to start drawing her other eyeball right here. Okay, so we're going to come on up. This one's going to look a bit different from the other one. And she's going to have a different eyebrow as well. Okay, so we're going to do that little shape inside. And we're going to do another little circle there. And then color this part in dark. All right, and same with over here in this end corner. I'm going to thicken this up a bit. Just like we did with the other eye. Okay, and we're going to give a few little lashes like the other eye. But same as before, just little strokes, nothing too wild. Now the eyebrow on this side, we're gonna do a little curve like that. And then we're gonna come on up. Almost like, kind of like a check mark. And then we're coming on down. Now we're coming on up again. And coming on down. Okay, so now just above this eye, we're just going to do a little line like that, and then a little line, a little curved line there through the eyelashes. And over here, we're going to do very much the same thing. Okay, like that. Now she needs a nose. So we're going to work in the middle and come down a little bit. And I'm going to give a little shape like that, and we're going to give her a little nostril there. And come down a little tiny bit. And another nostril, just like a little dark nostril. And come up a little bit and curve. Okay. Now she needs a mouth. So I'm going to do a little line there. And she's going to be smiling. So give her a smile. And I'm going to do another little line right there. And do a bottom lip. But not too thick. And a top lip. So our top lip was kind of like a wave. We came up, we came down, we came up again, we came down again. Okay. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to give her a little curl of hair right here. She's got a little piece of curly hair here. And now the way her hair is, I'm going to do a little line here. Starting to draw in some hair. And her hairline comes across like that. And then at about around right here, at about this arch here in her eyebrow, we're going to give her another curly piece of hair coming down. So I just go over the same thing a few times, but sometimes I'm doing it a bit wider, a bit taller. Okay, and right here, she parts her hair like right here, and we're gonna come on over. And draw in some hair. Just strokes going back and forth. Okay, now on this side, we're going to just do a little curved line like that and fill in a bit of hair, just some more strokes. All right, and now I'm going to continue on with the face. So we're going to go past this little curl. Go past like that, and we're going to start coming on down. Coming on down, give her a chin. And come on up. You see, I'm taking my time, just sketching it, taking my time. No rush. And I'm going to put another little curl here. Some more bits of hair. Okay, now she's got a little ear right here. Obviously that's where her ear would be. And she wears really little earrings, just like little, like the shape of a circle. I'm gonna do a little line like that. And now over on this side, other ear. Little circle shape for her earring. And we're gonna curve like that. And do a little kind of a funny little squiggly line like that for the inside of the ear. And I'm just going to do another little line like that. Okay. now we gotta finish up her hair, so I'm gonna come on up this way, some more strokes of hair. Kind of like that. And she has a bow in her hair, so I'm gonna do a shape like that. And then draw the inside, same shape that we just did, but smaller. And up here. And now same shape we just did, but smaller on the inside. And then we're gonna end up coloring that in red. So now she's got like her hair in kind of a bun. So I'm just gonna make lots of strokes for this hairstyle. Try not to draw over the ribbon for the bow. But if that happens, that's okay. So I'm gonna keep it going down past this ribbon. It's a nice thick bun. She's got lots of hair. And over on this side, lots of hair. Okay, like that. Now, okay, neck. So we're gonna come on down. She's got a pretty thick neck. She's quite strong. She's pretty muscly all over. So it's pretty thick. Now, let's see. We are going to give her the trim of her shirt here, the neck. And of course, she's got pretty big shoulders. Pretty strong shoulders. Okay, so I'm just doing a shape like this. This is going to be the sleeve of her shirt. And I kind of did this kind of curved because she's kind of got like a little cuff here. And then great big muscle sticking out. We're starting an arm here now. Little line there, part of the elbow. And over here on this side, she needs her other sleeve and the other cuff of that sleeve. And then of course, muscle. All right, so her arms are going to be kind of folded across her chest in front of her. So right here is where she's got like 2 bracelets. Oh no, she's got 3, I think. So giving her 3 bracelets here. And the way her shirt is, I believe we're going to do another kind of curved shape like this. And we're going to have another red bow here. So like that. And we're going to come down and do the same thing over here on this side. And then do that same shape inside but smaller. And then that bow, give it 2 different little tails. And all along, she's got like almost like little red ribbon stitching in the collar. So I'm just doing these little rectangles. And those are also going to go red. And in the background, I'm going to add a few little butterfly shapes. because we know that Encanto has all kinds of butterflies. So I'm going to add a few of these here, and I think it'll help to make the background really colorful instead of just plain white. Another one up here. And you can make them big, small, all over the place. Doesn't matter. You can do as many as you want. You don't even have to do them. It's all up to you. Okay, so I am going to take a black Sharpie marker and just kind of make the outline here a bit thicker, and then I'm going to add some color. All right, so we are finished our picture of Luisa. So I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here for the next Daily Doodles. All right, everybody, bye.